Next, we run update website, update location, and update gender at the same time. With update website, you click yes here. Then click on account info. You need to upload a text file of website to the session website. Create a new text file of website. Then you put the website that you want to update into this text file. For example, these are the websites that I want to update. Remember to put each website on one line. Then click here to save. At website section, you click on this icon. Select the website text file you have just created. Then you can click OK to run the update website function only. But we run 3 functions at the same time, so now we come to the next one. Update location. Select yes here. Add action. Then back to account info. Similarly, you upload a text file of location to location section here. Create a new text file to save location. Then you enter the location that you want to update per line into the text file. For example, these are the locations that I want to update. Remember to put each location on one line. Then click to save. At location section, you click on this icon. Then upload the location text file you have just created. Next, back to action. To select yes and update gender. Then click on account info. At select gender section, you select the gender that you want to update. Female, male, or random. In this video, I select random. After finishing all the needed section, you click OK to run 3 functions. Next, we run change name, change username, and change password at the same time. With change name, you select yes at change name session here. Then you click on account info. You need to set up the first name and last name sessions. There are two options here. The first one is random string and the second one is lines from file. In case you select random string, the software will use random first name and last name to change the account name. You can click on this icon. Then you will see the generate lines box. You can add or remove tips here. Then click on Edge Test to see the first name that will be used. Do the similar with last name. You can see here. In case you select lines from file at first name and last name session, you need to create text file to save first name or last name, then upload these two files into the appropriate sessions here. For example, with the first name, you create a new text file, name first name. Then you need to enter the first name that you want to use into this text file. For example, these are the first name that I want to use. Remember to enter each first name on one line. Then click to save. At first name session, you click on this icon. Select the text file or first name that you have just created. Similarly, with the last name, when you select lines from file, create a new text file. Name is last name. Next, you enter the last name into this text file. For example, these are the last name that I want to use. Each last name will be entered on one line. Then click to save. At last name session, you click on this icon. Then you choose the last name text file that you have just created. So you have just finished settings to run change name function. Now back to action. Select yes and change username. Then click on account info. At username session, if you leave this session at the default, the software will use random username to change for your X accounts. To customize the username as you want, click on this icon. Then you can add or remove any tips that you don't like. You can click on Edge Test to see the username that will be used to change your username, your account's username. Similarly, with the password, click on Action and select Yes at Change Password Session. Then click on Account Info. If you leave the password session at the default, the software will use random password to change password for your S account. If you want to customize the password, click on this one. Then customize the password as you want. You can delete any letter here and add anything and add any text that you want. Then click on H/ to see the password that you be to see the password. And click on H/ to see the password that will be used to change your account password. Finally, you click OK to run these three functions.